If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Big up.
Good evening, auntie sister.
Good evening, Maxie. Come here, I want to talk to you. Come here.
Smell the pot, smell good door.
Yes, ma'am. Some French fried chicken me I cook with rice and peas. Me notice say you only a go work and I come home and lock up in your room. You know, so me not understand that because that kind of attitude they look suicide-ish, you know. And me not see you have no friend more than the one friend, nah, man. Me not see if you go keep one whole bag of friend, you know, and mix up in some wrong things, you know. Cause me kind of like say you keep yourself to yourself, but you need to go explore, man. Go see how we world look. Find a girlfriend, you know. Make a little family and thing. You know, rent a little place and, you know.
Auntie, we just...
Me just concerned about you, man. You're not some girl who you like on the road.
Auntie
You
sister.
gotta work all the while. You're not some girl in your workplace who you like or interested in.
Me see girl what me like, you know. But me just not ready yet for in a no relationship.
But you're not ready. You're sure already you're not ready or maybe you're shy. You don't know how to approach them. You don't know what to say. Talk to auntie now. Me can't help you, you know. Me a woman. Me can't tell you what to say to them.
Auntie, me think you overreact, man. Me just like when me come home from work, me just tired, me just go sleep and watch one movie, that's it. Me alright. Alright. Me not stress myself, auntie.
So you want to just stay in your room till you're old? Eh? You not put back nothing in your world. You want to just live so and then get old and dead so. You don't give back nothing to God for all I will give you. Eh? Look into it, man. You know, say you're shy still, you know. But me go help you, here. Me go help you get one girl. One nice church sister there in my church and she's single. I
Alright.
feel say she that perfect for you.
Alright, auntie. Me hungry still, no, but me go see if me get one place to rent. So, no, me not
Yes,
worry about
man.
no girl, you know.
Go on the road tomorrow and see if you can check out some place. Here.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know if no room there are rent?
A hotel is a room there you are in.
See, on the sign out there, so.
Yeah, I think so. Let me come down, alright? Yeah. How much room you want?
And me alone, me have no one room.
Yeah, but 100,000 it a go for. 100,000 we have to pay deposit.
100,000.
Hmm.
That me never did I look for no 100,000
What
around.
price range you looking for?
Probably like 20, 30.
No, my friend, you're not going to get anything upon this property here. And my family own a place here, you know. And me have a room on it. Yeah, because I actually live here. But I don't know. And you can't afford it. No, I wanna say not get nothing wanna say for 20,000. Where you come from?
Originally, me come from upper Shuttle Wood.
Oh. So you figure more or less me coulda help you if you want. You coulda sleep in your help on the floor if you want until you get somewhere else.
Me just look one room for myself. But if you would kind, if you just put me up until me get somewhere for myself, that would
And me offer you no problem. This is all you have?
yeah.
Alright, come. What your name?
Maxi.
My name Angel.
Angel is a nice name. Wonder if you're Angel, what God did I talk about?
Hey. So, me I go carry you to my sister. Me know why you say nothing. Me do all I talking. As when me say my family place. You understand? So me will make it know, right? Sis, Max is my friend.
Hi, Maxie. Your friend. You tell him where rent go? You tell him say 100,000?
Him not rent no room. He must stay with me. So me just a care to introduce you to him. So if you see me, know say I'm my people. Alright?
Okay. Alright.
Alright. Come. So me I make you stay out there, so I go get some sheet gear where you can spread on the floor and thing. Alright with that?
Yeah, man, me alright with that.
Matter of fact, you have a girlfriend?
No.
Say you work?
Yeah, I work up at, I work up at the bun factory there. We make bun and them something there for the school. The little school them around the place.
Alright, like how you not have no woman and you work. Me not a man either, and me alone there, so. You see me? You can't just read between the lines. Me I make you stay in a room. Just take up a suitcase and come.
Sure, I don't wanna
Come.
cause any problem with you and the
Here's
family.
the bathroom. I don't want to use the bathroom. You can put your suitcase in there, so. And you're free. Make yourself comfortable and at home. I get something done in our kitchen and come back.
Alright.
Virgin. Woo. Touched by the very first time. So why you look like that? Why you look so?
Nothing. I'm good, man.
So why you look for me when me I talk to you? You shy? You never look so shy when you come in our you're a virgin then. Like for real? You too lie. Like first time? Look here, anytime I want, you just ask. You're not afraid. Yeah, shakes. Come here, get up. We are gonna do it even for the first time. I forgot. Come today, now gonna be the first time again. What time you say you leave right now?
It hurt me. Um,
Yeah, that hurt you? Probably where you get last night. What time you say you leave work?
supposed to leave 3 o'clock. So sometime we leave like 5 or so.
You see, if you leave 3 o'clock, by 3:30, I want to make sure you say it there. If you leave 5 o'clock, 5:30, if you pass another year. Oh, my son. Remember, so we have to do like what lovers do. You understand what I say?
But normally me and my friend go have a drink after work.
Different settings now. 5:30 of the day if at 5 o'clock you left work. 3:30 of the day, yes, sir, if at 3 o'clock you left work. Now tell me not about no friend. Me or your friend.
Alright, Angel.
Keep your phone by you, me I'll call you. Yeah.
Angel.
you're friend, me suffer.
Me not frighten you, me love.
Morning.
Me not have no money, I tell you. Me think of your friend, you not say your friend.
I'm a friend.
This look like a more than friend. Me not understand you.
I'm a man.
Are you a man?
Yeah, me a big woman in here. I'm a man, like, I'm a man.
So, Angel, let me ask you a question. Why take you if you tell me your sister say your man that? You feel someone want your man?
No, no matter who I'm a man, they suppose me they want just upfront is so.
No, but me and your sister, you know, fi hide that from me.
But they don't tell you no way, how?
Not a thing. Me like where you deal with him. But he look soft though.
The two of we can rough at the same time.
A soft man you like?
Yeah.
You couldn't
The
play.
two of we feel rough.
Me not tell you like
I
Angel.
don't like the bad man, them I like soft man. I don't like bad man that's gonna beat me.
Me hear you. But me not tell no lie. You couldn't play with my man so. You know run them the joke there.
We tell him say if you come in from work half an hour time after I left,
As someone alone you can talk to so. Not every man.
that's why your man them all beat you. Don't worry yourself.
A liar tell.
The man not gonna beat me and me will beat him. I tell you that.
Just take your time, man, and read them. Make the nice and come in.
Make a nice, man. I'm tell you, brother, relax, man. Come for forward.
Hi, honey.
Wagwan, what's up?
Come in. And this is Norman. I'm a friend.
Hi Norman, what's up, you alright?
So yeah, just come in, man. Take off your shoes. Cause Angel not really like them.
So,
I go bed.
place nice, though, impressed. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Place nice, though. Well clean.
So one chair here over here, so. So you say your name?
Nah, man, is it? General never tell her.
Nah man, nice name. My name Angel though. Nice meet you.
Real, man, you know?
Even was a Maxi have such a nice friend.
Better like that, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up, I say, place look up and running as my say still.
Yeah, you know me if I do that though.
From me see it, I know what's on him DVD, you know?
Yeah. You're free to come over anytime, yeah. Always come by, yeah, you're free to.
Yeah, man, when him there about, I see it.
Yeah. Me soon come give me a minute here.
Alright, my friend, big up, big up.
Hello, aye. Tapping nice. Hello, aye. What me tell you say? Eh? Me not tell you say me no want nobody come here. You know fi care nobody come at me yard. That me tell you.
Angel, I'm a friend. You can't embarrass me like that. Is my
You say me no want you care nobody at me yard.
Good evening, Angel.
Where you come from?
I come from Angel, but because maybe have some extra something what me need to finish up in the kitchen. So I that me did that deal with. But I come from.
What time you done work?
Angel, you know say at 3 o'clock me leave work. But because the boss did it and he said me go to supermarket for go get some stuff for the place. And then me have to, after me get the stuff, then me have to carry them back. And when me carry them back, me have to end up pack them off. So that's why me just a come. And plus the rain a fall. And you know say at 3 taxi me have to take Angel.
3 o'clock you done work. At 5 o'clock now. You take half an hour every day to reach home.
Angel, me must me tell you say rain a fall.
Walk in the rain. Reach your yard on time. Then make it happen again. Anytime I tell you have an extra enough to do, call me and make me know. I have a phone, you have a phone. One to your phone, me I call you no answer. One to your phone.
Angel, because me wake up late this morning because last night me did I try beg you someone you never did I pay me no mind. That's why me end up wake up late and run out left my phone. And left my phone. Me not have my phone for me, Angel. Because I was running out this morning, I left my phone in the room.
You know, say you want idiot do. Or you feel left your phone, you know, me have to call it every 10 minutes. You not pick me, you know? Me still want to see my phone.
Angel,
Me need to see in the phone.
Angel, me sorry. Me won't do it again. Next time me just put my phone in my bag for overnight.
Me want to see my phone. Don't ramp with me.
Angel, look. When the phone charge, me make a look in my phone.
Matter of fact, some plate up there and wash them up and cook some food. Me soon come.
So where you go?
You don't need to ask me where me I go. No time at all. You see me I go through the door. You ask me where me I go. When me come back, me come back. Just go and go cook your food and eat. No ask me nothing.
Yeah. Ah, me see.
So me can't take a manager woman there, no, man.
Jaja. Say I deal it.
Yo, you know, food.
What?
Bro, from man, me not really eat nothing, you know, man.
Oops. You come like you're a joker, brother. Say that work whole day today and I nothing. How that? Me not understand that, brother. Sit now go on with you, brother.
Angel say I have something to deal with. So, yeah, so all I money when me have, she end up have to go deal with something for the house, cause she said she want to get her ear done and her nails, and he put them on her something left. Then know a woman I have to.
Brother, you have to laugh, brother. Yo, you know say not change, brother. More than you know say a two man way for we a grow there. Cause man will me power with the brother. Cause you go like you idiot said you know brother. Every day man tell us brother. Change up off our foolishness, brother. Brother, you move away too much, brother.
Listen,
Brother. Brother, them are foolish, brother. Your work you're supposed to take care of yourself by you come and work dog. You're not even iron your clothes, brother, nah, nothing, brother.
brother, just lend me money until payday me get.
Brother, man, I have no money for lend, brother. You're a big man now, brother. You think back in the days, brother. If you talk about like you eat that, brother. Talk me come and clown out, brother. For my money when me have, brother. Me spend that already, brother. You see me? Deal my bill them and them thing there, brother. I can't lend no money no, brother. You have to do better, brother. I know say even if they have him would give you, brother. Cause you have to learn, brother. A whole part time and talk to you, brother. Yo, brother, I actually even know no youth. Some man all tell me say I'm not for power then, brother. But guess what? I two man away for a long time, brother, and man not switch, brother. But more you grew up now, my youth. You have to grow up now, my youth. Max, you have to grow up now, brother. I'm here, brother. I mean about that foolish, brother. You have to grow up now, brother.
Yo,
Mm.
since me notice that since me start talk to Angel,
Mm.
Pauline, just every time I come in and work, she just push up herself on me. I mean, I try to tell her say, me I'm a woman who that never give me bun.
That a Pauline from around HR side, HR lady.
Yeah.
A great link that you have, I never know what goal you have, brother. Right now, she can make a pay raise, you know, brother. HR mean human resource, you know, brother. A them run the whole thing, you know, brother. She can make a pay raise, you know. Come like, you don't understand what I want. Brother, take a link, brother.
Taking a link is not it, but
Mm.
Angel search my phone as we go home.
You know something I like reason there, brother.
Say
You
one.
know, say Miss Winnie people only cut your toe licking my youth. Yo, you're a big man, you know, brother. Yo, listen me.
Me must say me have my woman and me love her.
Nothing wrong if I love her. But if I dey fear woman, what am I do? But what me I say, I'm not going to reason upon that level there. Watch her now. You hear me I say? Alright. Since you search your phone, have a solution for you. buy one banger, dog. And you see that banger there? Me I go keep the banger for you. No, you have to forgive me, because you can't just hide it somewhere, brother. Just hide that banger there and a car that banger there. Go in on the ends. And just know say fear number. See if another one there you can read it there differently. So you don't know, you know the things that can work the way there.
Because me and Angel are on good terms and
Why?
me don't want to mash that up. But anyways, come on, because she probably away. Me shouldn't even dare start right now.
Why
Because
rougher than I heard it? Come in, man. Rougher than I heard it, youth.
Maxi, come here.
Sash.
What on?
So yeah, go on it.
Me there, no, come out here, son, no? You know, see my fan work from when.
Me never really did take notice still, but that what happened?
Oh, you know, so I look at dirty supervisor from over HR fire me.
Who?
But me, I take the arm man, and me not even know arm man.
You see, me can't deal with them woman there's so many time I work in them. That's why I just go and work and just go home to me woman. Me can't deal with them there's something.
Oh, so I'll go on with you.
Then I'm just go in and I'm tired man. You alright?
Yes, I'm for telephone when you know.
What you have to tell me?
You know me like you. How we all laugh for?
Nobody with that man. You know say,
True man, me like you man.
so you like me when so you never tell me long time before me even
The kind of shy still, but me I tell you now.
why? If me didn't even like you back, me can't even make you go now because me I want woman the angel way.
She don't have to know about that man.
She we know because she right now she have my phone.
That me say you have to keep it a secret.
Listen, you're a very nice girl and you're very beautiful, but me just don't want to mash up what me and angel have. You see?
Me not stop looking still.
Alright, but take care of yourself, you see? Don't worry yourself, man. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself. You alright though?
Yeah man.
Just get another work, man, one next place. See here?
Oi, Maxi, come here. Where you come from?
You know, see, I sleep, me sleep here and the car can go up there, so where me I come from, man. I'm tired. Tired, man.
You feel so me wouldn't find out?
What you talk about?
What you mean what me I talk about? You and my sister not there? Me find out say you're an angel there.
Miss Candy. Well, my sister, we together. We together. We were friends before.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You and my sister friend, me is not friend. Me no know your friend nowhere. And me did ask you if you hear about the rent. How much? You start paying on rent yet?
Well, Miss Candy, to be honest with you, me give Angel money every time I get paid, you know. So I don't know what Angel, me just give her money. So I don't know what she do with it or whatever. But Angel, you would have to talk
You
to.
see, you act in front of me like you're innocent and like you can't have a chance. And you and my sister there. Me find out long time. So I let the carry me around and I groan and I come like you take me feed. Me no fool. Me look stupid to you.
Never.
What you feel say me don't know, me know. All when Angel are hiding, me know. Cause nothing can hide in this area.
Me know what you
So if you feel say you never keep no secret where me can't know. For me, you hide it everywhere. Bush have ears, you have ears. You know what? Me no more talking with you. Come go on round to Angel. Go on round to Angel. And me see you tap now with no girl. Now tell me, sister.
hope him get paid and the boss nobody tell him about no delay business, you know. Where you come from?
Angel, which part I go every day, Angel? Which part I go? I work me I come from and
Where them my nice clothes I got work, where ordinary clothes them. Somebody all up.
the boss give me my pay still, but he said because me come late 2 times, he never
Come like you know where if you do. Oh,
give me everything, but me
just give me everything. Give me this all one.
that me get me no see them, me just pull it in envelope, me no take nothing out of it, Angel. Me no tell her no lie.
Okay, go to your boss serious say money. What is? What is? No know what is a God no. What is a go do?
So me can't, I wish by you, me can't come.
Look here, what this a can do? Money me I talk about.
Angel, that me
Don't
get.
ask me which part me I go. Me tell you if you tell you where me I go now when you ask me no what. You know what something me have to do out of this a one money?
Just
Me have to do me ear. Me have to buy food. You not forget none, man. You not hey. Oi. How are you going to say get up? Get up. She get the one look at the if you come like say no one nothing. Get up. Get up. Remember me tell you say I know my place and my people them place. Me can't make them feel like they and just in a yard and you not do nothing. Me tell you I know my place. And all you do a yarn.
Angel, why can't deal with me say? You know if you deal with me say, you know, Angel. Is it my day off? Me work hard and when time I get my money, you get everything. Me not see me only get my fear, friend Angel. Just my fear. So me can't this morning wake up. Me did want some Angel and you
Want some of what?
You don't give me nothing. Well, look how long me day or so with the Angel. Every pay, everything, you get everything. And you can't even give me a little love.
So through your work and you give me your money, you feel like something if you done up my body pan you? Get up, that is the whole point we are talking about. Get up and come find something to do. And if you make me come back in, you may load up because I don't want you.
Angel, all me I say, you know, I feel deal with me, sir. You know, really, I feel deal with me, sir. I just little.
Don't touch me. Brother, you need to do something. I don't like lazy people.
Miss Candy. Me have something I want to talk to you about. Angel. Me don't like how she deal with me, you know, Miss Candy. Me don't like how she deal with me. I'm a big man.
So what happened between you and her now?
Like, when time I come in from work, me can't get nothing. She tell me so she tired and I'm them listen me and it's like me only at work, Miss Candy, and me not want to say nothing. Every little money, as she get it.
You don't talk? Me and listen cause me think I something more important you come to me about. Me not busy with you and Angel, you know. You see anytime Angel talk to you, you feel listen, you feel hear. You're a big man, you know. You act like you're a little pitney. Angel a talk to you too much. You're lucky, you should have licking in your mouth. Why should I talk to you so much time? Like you're some little pitney.
Then
And you can't tell me what he take all of your money. What do you mean she take all of your money? No, you are Angel, man. So who fi work and give her money? I me? I don't know you take on your business. I can't tell me for you listen what she say. I'm my sister. Anything my sister tell you, listen what she say.
alright, Miss Candy, I just that me come. Cause me know say me couldn't contact you cause
If you know say you couldn't come and talk to me, why did you come?
me just think me
Oh, you never know if the truth me I go tell you. So now me tell you the truth. You alright, go along.
Alright, sorry everybody. You hear me, Scandy?
You not bother me. I know me you bother. You bother me sister. Angel you bother. You can't bother me. Out here bother me. You're deaf.
Who that?
One man general,
Come
and
from
I
the
go.
bathroom.
Yeah, no, sir, Maxime, I check for.
Oh, you come up here. Where are you reaching?
Your sister let me in.
Oh,
Yeah, no, sir, Maxime, I check for. I look at one thing, man, we for a match up. I see, pray.
him not there here. You want to come wait for him?
I'm not really roll so still, you see it, but
You're not stranger, but
me go and wait for him still. Let's sit down on a chair.
yeah, I go feed. So what go on? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm running, I don't know what
You always just look nice and clean.
Respect, man, I know where you go. Respect. I feel a way a lady I give me a chair to sit down still,
Come
but
on, man. You want me?
Respect
You want a
still.
beer?
you know,
Come, I can give you a maxi beer. Them, you know. You want one?
no, I'm up and running, man. Because I drink something already. You see me? So I'm up and running, man. I just see general come, you see, girl, you see me? Because, yeah, we have a one crime to go match up, you know?
All right. Then soon come.
Straight.
Me I go in the room and come here.
Yeah, man, do what you do, man. Straight.
No, man. Come here. Come help me find a rat here. One big rat in here.
Rat?
Rat. Come here.
Come in.
Yeah. Done this so.
Hello. You don't know what's passing here.
Sinclair, Sinclair. Me know
Oh,
say,
what would David do for me, please?
me know say I want Sinclair down the road there, so I want Sinclair up there, so. Up, right up there, so we not go. When I pass this and go up. Run there, so. Want Sinclair there on this, so.
Oh, alright, thanks.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Oi. Tap. You know, you me a tap you. I wish you man that.
Me don't know who. I just pass and she ask me direction, figure hurry.
What you feeling at work?
I work me there, but me boss.
Work you there, but
Me don't know her. I'm a boss. Send me to a post office figure collect some letter for fee.
where you make your boss a send you for your big boy?
Then I'm work, a part of the work.
You work up at the factory, you work by sending out who the woman that will give you a pitney.
Angel, me say me don't know a girl.
You know what, I feel like you're a pitney?
Angel, me don't know a girl. What you want for do, Angel? Me don't know a girl.
Woman black and you brown, and you're a pitney because the woman, the pitney brown.
Tell the pretty no favor me none at all. Angel, are you me love? Are you
know?
Are you alone? Me I come home to a night time, girl.
Come go back at work. Come go back at work.
But me have to go to a post office.
Good, nobody go nowhere, go back at work.
I have to go to
Tell your boss to me, send her back at work.
Angel.
Come go back at work.
See, make people ma look for me then, Angel.
What you talking about people for? The business with people, you're my man, you're my responsibility.
There's no need for this behavior. Look, I ain't town with it.
Come out the road.
Like it.
Come out the road. You know you're going to make me hurt you? You're going to make me hurt you now.
Angel, this is a call for Angel.
Come go back at work. Come go back at work. You know you say if you come go back at work. You deaf? I'm embarrassed on you. Siki, but now man there.
Which one I know, man?
The brown man. The
Which one?
pretty one, the handsome one. Where him there?
The fat one or the short one?
Him not all that tall man. Call man no.
No, man.
Like say,
Nah, man, they gone out the road for come back in the gun.
so you go like you don't know how work, like a somebody all.
Listen to me, now, girl, and now look you.
Don't come argue with me and say you're ugly. But you know you're over there coming like crosses.
Where you do that, sir?
Yes, you know hear me. Where you come from?
Come up with something, no, man, you know, so when I work, so, you know,
So where you
alright.
where you all me
No,
so far?
no, what I come on and say, no,
Just me.
no, you know, no, so I don't say me and Maxi work. Where you do down here? Where you do down here? Me
Yeah,
don't
boy.
understand. Yo, right now, believe me, man, me can't me vex, man, believe me, man. You know if you do that, man. And look where you down here, and I took you.
So not just out there's
Me
something
can't
there.
believe, yo. You know, see, me not like, me not really want say nothing like me no want this, you know, but you're terrible, you know.
To
God,
come.
oh God, man.
It's security that disrespect me I get.
Yes, oh God, man. God, oh God. Me must say me a move, man. Do me a beg. Me can't. Me a move, man. Me no want. Me no. Me a Maxi a virgin. I me never really. Me mind no. Are you?
You and Maxi a friend, me and him are no friend.
Yo.
And
Listen.
you
Say,
me
oh, you mean
want.
say you a Maxi
And
a
you me
friend?
want.
Oh, you for want me and me have my woman. You know
Say
easy.
then was say you have a woman before me get in.
Alright, take that. Do.
So come tell me this now.
Alright. We are work with the thing, but me no really want to continue. But you don't know me rate you still. But me no. You see me? Do me a beg. Do.
You want to continue?
No,
It can't stop.
me no want to continue. You see me? Me no want you come back down and say me that we work. Remember say me and Maxi a virgin. Even though you don't know. Maxi kind of move away, but I'm a virgin for a long time. And I'm never really expect same out there with a rough woman like yourself. What do you mean about be? No, without be. Yo, you spoil me woman find out this. A problem for me, you know?
Oh, sugar.
From when I'm mad, though, man. From when I'm mad, though, man. You can't hurt. Just do me a beg, man. But you
Just
talk, man.
calm down. Me not gonna come back round
Do
here again.
a wrong thing this you do. You come from my workplace. So you do that. You have to do that. And you ask me?
Yeah, me ask for now, man.
God almighty, G. Oh,
Him know
God.
your woman.
Oh, God. The security know everybody business. Yo, oh, God. Yo, no.
Baby, just please. You can't just hear me out. Me won't even come back round here.
Where say you don't come back around
I'm
here?
not gonna come back round here. Just hear me out.
Alright,
I
listen.
really love you
Listen,
and
me answer now.
you me want me.
I like that way you just said a while ago. No come back around here, but you wanna. You can't. Watch out now. It can't work. We can't continue this. This a go stress me out, man. You see it right now. Me must say me and Maxi a virgin, you know. And me and my woman.
You
You
understand what you do to me right now?
Oh, you mean, sir? You understand what you do to me? Yo, you mash up my family, you mash up everything, you know. Right now, actually not even know, you know. Yo, me can't give you money, you know. I just,
Me no
God
need
know.
your money. What you talk about money, be?
That's cool, me not really this still, but me have
You say you never love me? You never did I feel nothing?
love a man, me must say, you push on the thing, you know. You push on, you know, I just, you see it, me should even do that, because me and Maxi a virgin. You know how me make that happen.
B, you have
Yeah, man, you can't no make nobody. Yo, you can't say road there, you can't do that.
So
Do me a begging.
what's the whole point then? What you trying to say?
If I even for reason somewhere else too, but we can't reason that. You see it?
So what you
Do.
say? Done? That's what you're
Yeah,
saying?
man, done, man. Do me a beggar, please. Nobody, no.
Done
Yo,
like
no
oh,
man
like
never
done
beg you.
for today?
No, like permanent. No man never beg you yet. Be done. Do me a beggar,
No,
please.
but
It's a, oh God, man, oh God. Right now, I don't know what to do. Yo, do me a beggar, man. Just do that for me now. Me
do what
really.
for you?
You can't company work and you can't continue this. Me and my woman and sitting and just one thing with you make up, man. You see it, me have to blame myself too, you know. Me not lie, you know. But do. Come on, man. Just you can't, you mean babes? No make nobody here call me no babes. You can't do that. Come.
Babe, no.
Do no man, do. Yeah, do not nobody put me excitement for the work. No. Stick you over this and do. Oh God,
Me
please.
don't want you to come out of my
Just
life,
do.
babe.
You can't do it, man. Just pull a man. Alright, me go. Alright, yeah. Look up, yeah, look more. Do. Oh God, do. One, please, me I beg you. Take it, God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Oh. Second dan.
Yo,
Bust this up, my general.
me I come here, me I write down something. Then, are you a mad girl coming to a while ago?
One thing you know, brother, you watch people, it's too much, you know, brother. You know all the way you know, brother. You know, see, I'm somebody mother sick, man, and she come
Oh,
call him.
Oh, she come here, she not come here like a somebody mother sick. She come here like a young man. And me could have swear me say Maxi. You know,
What's the gate, man? You chat too much, man. Up to you, chat. Yo, I want to go there. What's the gate, man?
what you say? The woman should find out.
Well, I tell you today, it's rough, you know, you with a work, you know, brother. I have to go sit down and hold and burn one question now.
It's only if Angel would give me a massage, but you know how she stay, you know, she not want me to touch her.
Everything I Angel, you see how you, yo, I tell you that to me, no, dog. Man, I want this, you know, brother. I'm a brother still, no, dog, but tell her that. Put on for it. Hold on for this, you know, brother. Hold on, I raise, brother. Hold on, brother. Yeah, something, yo, put this in there, man, yo. Put a razor, we have a razor, brother. Man, go like say, I'll be it, brother. A back or front, that. I get out, yeah, idiot, you. Yeah. Alright, I go pulling out. Yeah. What? General, now. Yo, think somebody said, give me this. You pull your pop. Yeah, that's it, boy. Mr. Patrick, Mr. Patrick, now go here. No sense to the world.
Anyway, I can hurry up and go, man, because Angel wait for me. She tell me, say she want me come in if you can rub her.
What on my general, man? That's a reason, my general. What's your pre now? You know, so one thing about my brother. Matter of fact, are you putting up all I see them run us around you get them room? You did them quick though. Like I touch the road and when I go road, I see you just a start. And by the time I forward, you done all of them great job, yo. Because I never really have nothing to do when I come back here. But anyway, brother, all the thing about me still, brother. You know what I say? All the thing about me, brother, and you go vex with me still, you know. You see it?
What about you?
Man, tap your face, man. Yo, that's cool, man. Brother, so one little thing about me, brother, I know say, I cuss you all the while, but I really want you feel like say, me at this, you know. You see it? I know this, brother, because you know say, all what go on, we cuss all the while, but we still at par. We not left one another, because we are general from back in the day. You see it, pray? So, I just try to show you, say, you see Angel. Angel now, no brother. You know say, my general, you know say, I don't want good man there with you, brother. On a big man level, brother. I don't want good man there with brother. I wait to indeed the thing, brother, and you see it. I tell you straightforward, I'm a good man. See it. I'm not going to go around the thing, brother. You see it. I tell you straight up as a virgin. I'm a good man.
So why can't answer that?
Just the way indeed, brother. Just the way indeed. But alright.
I think you judge her wrong because she stay like that because she probably never have no father who grew up beside her, so she not get that manly love there. But me know she deep down she love me. And she's not really a one bad person.
And that me really talk about, brother.
So what you say?
Boy, you know say, what do you forward up there? I ain't there. 2 minutes I get up on the phone, that a Friday gone. Friday when I tell you say, we forgot pick up the thing. I get up on the phone and I forward down. I shout up and Angel, come out, I see it. And I say, you don't feel good. Say you don't feel good, you're in a bed up there. So she tell me I read now. I say, alright. So you up the general said, you see it. So by the time me bust the door now and go up the stairs, and she say, ropes come in her room. So. By the time I go in her room, brother, she drop towel, brother. God no, dog. But I tell you right now, it stress me up. It stress me like whoa, brother.
So, hold on. When the towel drop, should it have one anything under it? You never see nothing. Because me know Angel wouldn't so mad for make you see nothing. Don't tell me that, bro.
Brother,
Bro.
nope. See that have nothing. Sorry, my general man. Sorry, man. But watch out now. You know, say, watch out now, man. Brother, nobody have the foolish, brother, man. Just cool, no, man. Nothing but I want this time, man. Yo. Dog, you make man get emotional, dog. Brother. Boy, dog, come to me bridging, dog. Yo. Brother, watch out now.
Your papa fi do a brethren. Where you slam me do stuff for your papa it off?
Angel, now man tell me everything.
When a man tell you say,
Now man tell me say he come here and when he come here, you come out here so and your towel drop. Oh, you have to make it towel drop and make him see it.
see what?
See
What
ya-
you see?
What you mean when you see? He say he see everything.
A lie. Big lie. So that's why you come a papa off the door?
Angel, you know say me no like them. Me can't me. I one time a month me get to see you and you make him come here come see you.
So him not tell us say we have sex too. Him should have tell her that too. You come here bang down the door.
Angel, you really mean to tell me say
Yes. Look here now. Just go on in the house, go bed, and take off them clothes here. When I hear time, I hear time. You're tough up yourself like say you feel like say.
you take up me sitting there, man, cause
Get them out. Like I care zero. You haven't know if you got put them back in.
yo, listen, left me alone. Left me alone. Me tired of you now.
Who you
You feel like say every day me just go take this.
put back in the suitcase.
Tired of this. Me just leave. Me
Put back in the suitcase.
put back the suitcase.
You come load up your mouth. Oh, you turn bad man now. You're man up now.
Just Angel, listen. Let me just go on.
What you feel like? You feel like you're bad? Put on the suitcase. Put it on. Put it on.
What more me have to do? What more me have to do for you?
Put on the suitcase. You have nowhere to go?
What more me have to do?
And me alone to take you for idiot. Look here now. Stop and swell up your face. Bust your face, boy. Put on it.
Angel.
So I want to say thank you to everybody that has been showing us love and have been subscribing to the channel. And there, so till we reach 150,000 subscribers. It's been 3 years now since we had the YouTube, and it's a journey within itself. We are learning, meanwhile we are passing on the knowledge of what we are learning. Zin? So, you are going. Before we go further, as always, we can't go further without saying, if you guys have not contributed towards 1010 Surgery, make sure say you click the link in the description to the GoFundMe account and make a donation. Alright? And also, as always, we have to big up Dr. Jack. The product is available. We have the product. So if you don't want it, link me up. Me make the link and pay for it. Me send it come you know. Or me will provide the description, the info on the screen so you guys can find the product. It's a wonderful product. And if you know watch me from ever since, you know what me I talk about. Alright? Jesse, come in. It has been a while since we know see Jessie. Probably around a year now since we had do Three Sisters, Three Different Minds. And she in another movie and now you don't know. Long time she not come in and she come put in some hard work on that one here. So tell them what I want Jessie. Tell them they can find a YouTube channel too.
Yeah, you don't know, Jesse. I just want to say thank you to everyone who have been supporting Richard Brown Films, and Jamwood said we big up to all of you guys. And I know that some of you guys who over Richard Brown Films is also on Jesse's Films, which you can find my platform on Jesse's Films, Jesse Films. We want to know if you subscribe, guys, and watch out the movie. We have some great content over there. Now you know we almost reached the end of this movie that we are doing, and basically we just assure the world, say look, you have female who man angle, man as well, as in them are the man. And I mean, Richie, none of them more than nobody. I mean,
because basically what she has said is that domestic violence not only go one way.
Yeah.
I say a lot of time people have the perception that only man beat up woman. Sometimes it go the other way too. And we just try to shed a light on that also. And to say, yo, domestic violence, any way you take it, we not agree with it.
Still violence.
Still violence. And we say no to that.
Yes.
So pick up on yourself, continue to show support, and remember say the work never stop. Big up.
Yeah, and I do a movie called Too Toxic. It is on Jesse's Films platform as well. Too Toxic is something similar to this one, where the man ill treat me and all of them something. So you can go over, guys, and check out the movie there. Thank you all. See with me.
No, stop back. No, man. You reach too far. You reach too far. This is Maxi.
Oh, sis.
That's until you don't have the mic, so just hold up your hand here. Ready now, you okay, Javi? Make sure the camera set good and ready. Action.
Sis, Maxi.
Hi, Maxi.
My friend. I'm going to stay out with you a little while.
No, you can't too far. Come back, can you ask if more rent for a room in conference? You know, not good as so quick. Just say this is.
Relax, man. Relax.
Yeah, Candy alone for sure. So just tell him, say, this is my friend Maxi, and me Candy do it chatting. Ready now, action.
Sis, Maxi, my friend.
Hi, Maxi. So, I don't know about him friend. How are you meeting?
No, man, you can't too far, Candy, man.
Where you go?
Stop. Ready now. You ready, Javi? Yeah. Action.
Which commander?
No, man, I would that. Ready?
Who that?
Wow, you ready? Ready, stand ready, Alta. Stand ready. Oh, in car already. Come up now, come ready. Ready, Jesse? Jesse, come in.
Lay me and tap you up. I wish woman that. Who? Wish woman that there. One good time. Where you fit in the work? Where you fit in the work?
Yeah, man. Ready, action. see the characters here, no? No, you can't tell us. Wait, have the glasses there, look for. Give me glasses, we'll try to find it. Fuck, I look for.
Look at that white chocolate for tree.
Go on, Chris, now. All time.
Hey, you know what? This is
No, lie down. Yes, he say it's choke for two. The number. No. Go back outside there. Walk, come back. Yeah, pick up my glasses. And then comfy sitting. Me and comfy suit. Me ready and action. Alright, good. That was good. You start here. Start here. You get man a good link that man.
Brother. Good link that, brother. You have to link that HR, brother. Oh, my youth, you know, go on good, brother. Yo, let me say, brother.
You don't understand.
Brother. Hold on. You tell me, say, the phone already.
No,
yeah.
So can you go back again and say, a big link that, brother.
Yeah.
All, you can get a raise or promotion, HR.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to tell the extra money to do extra year.
Brother, a great link that you have, I never know what goal you have, brother. Right now, she can make a few years, you know, brother. HR, I mean, human resource, you know, brother. And them run the whole thing, you know, brother. She can make a few years, you know. Come like you understand what I want. Brother, take the link, brother.
No, taking a link is not it, but Angel searching for
Oh, you know, but you know something like reason there, brother. You know, so Miss Winnie if you hold your cut your toe licking my youth. Yo, you're a big man, you know, brother. Yo, listen now.
you must have me have no woman. I love her.
Nothing wrong if I love her, but if I do see a woman, what am I do? But what me I say, I have to reason for that level. Watch her now. Yeah, me I say, alright, see to yourself, you have a solution to you. Buy one banger there. I see that a banger there.
Come to Maxi and call to your bro, me and shit.
This in the last part, remember you did plan to you tell her, say, like, what you go again? Say, what do you tell me say again? Say, she going to say,
Well, listen, come in next camera now.
You understand what you're doing to me right now?
what do you mean, sir? You understand what you do to me? You mash up my family, you mash up everything, you know. Right now, I tell you not even know, you know. Yo, you can't give her money, you know. I just...
I don't
God
need
knows.
your money. We are talking about money, B.
That's cool, you know, I really disappear, but never...
You say you never loved me. You never did I feel nothing.
Love her, man. I must say, you push on the thing, you know. You push on, you know, I just... You see it, I should even do that, because I'm actually a virgin. You know how I make that happen?
B, you have to.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
So what's the whole point then? What you trying to say?
If I breathe, somewhere,
So what you say? Done? That's what you're saying? Done like oh, like done for today?
No, like permanent. No man never beg yet. You done. Do me a bigger.
No, man, but...
Oh God, man, oh God. Right now, I don't know what to do. Yo, do me a bigger, man. Do that to me now.
Do what for you?
You can't company work. You can't continue this now. Woman and just one thing with you, man. You see, I have to blame myself too, you know. I'm not lying, you know. But, do. Come on, man.
Please, man.
You nobody else have no baby. You can't do that. Come on, man. Come on. Go on.
Seriously,
Hold on. No, we check you. Carry, man. Your man and tell you to go on up. And say that, come, carry tripod.
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah? Carry tripod, alright.
The problem is that just I go in front of
I go in front of Jay. Alright, send him off now. Send him off. Ready. Ready.
Alright, come catch a shot then, so. Come.
What's that now?
Hold on, time. Come on, hold on. Let's go on there.
I can't see Angel.
Hold on, Alton.
I can't see Angel at all.
Alton, you know something the prefer when they turn up. Ah!
Yeah.
Me prefer that one day, you know. My job. Me prefer that one day still, Alton. Yeah, man, that one number one.
So come,
Go and catch him back.
Come here, so.
Yeah.
Kill Angel now.
Yeah.
Who that?
No, you know my knock. Oh, sorry. I'm not going to knock on sheep for you. Sorry.
Who that?
Sorry. Not for you.
Who that? Just come from the bathroom.
Hold on. Just say, no, sit down with that, sir.
Yes, sir?
Sit down talk to yourself. Come in the focus. Come in the focus. Let's go. Look on the action. They don't know. They keep talking for a second. Where do you drink?
Come here, come every find a rat here. One big rat in here. Rat, come here.
Yeah, well, move back now. Move back. When I was so far, these shoes, bro. When I was so far. Put the shoes. Right side of my laptop. Yeah.
So when you come in, you might look for rat now by the time you get up.
But the shoes them never they nice.
By the time you get up, that's no rat.
You know your shoes them never they these.
What's that Richard? Good idea there. When you say darkness and by the time turn back around and some lesson around.
Yeah, man, don't jack.
Yeah, man.
You like what you see now, man.
I'm sure she could have just turned off the lights every time and they don't know.
You have catch what they told you.
So alright, which one is switch or something? Yeah.
So you come in everything now. Oh, you catch it up.
No, you're catching it up.
Oh.
Pull up
So you say it again.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, same thing again.
Alright.
And action.
Nah, man. Come help me find a rat here. One big rat in here.
Rat?
Yeah, come. Afraid now.
So you're coming out here, we're putting you waiting. Alright, so now I hope they will catch that.
Yo.
She ready?
Love this. Yeah. Where's that?
So hold on. When we run goes.
Yeah.
Just come here.
Yes.
Which direction am I going?
Can I say it again?
No, man, this is general whatever.
Nah, man. Nice man.
No, So, can you guys sit down? Can you like sit down? Nice team, you know, so now nice. Maxi, I'm nice friend.
Oh, he doesn't set me up.
Feel free to come at any time, you know.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Even though you're going to tell them what to look at, blood clot. Well, he's asking free to come anytime.
Yes.
Alright. Action.
Name Jesse though. Jesse?
No, I'm just saying, no, Angel.
Come again. Come again. Ready?
Ready.
The name Angel though. Nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know some Maxi have such a nice friend. Look next door.
Yeah.
You're welcome anytime. Maybe you want to share some fun. Oh, you can always come over now.
I will listen. You want to know, so I tell him to come back.
Hello. You don't know the person?
I wasn't